Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Dog Water Ramp is probably one of the most innovative products for dog owners who love water activities. This ramp provides a safe and easy way for dogs of all sizes to enter and exit the water, promoting water safety and making playtime more enjoyable. Whether you have a senior dog with mobility issues or a playful pup eager to splash around, this ramp offers a convenient solution for water access, ensuring fun and safety for your furry friend. Number 5. PetSafe Happy Ride Folding Dog Ramp. This ramp is compatible with most SUVs, vans, and cars. It supports pets up to 150 pounds and folds up for easy storage. It's perfect for travel and on-the-go use. The ramp features a high-traction surface and side rails to prevent slipping. Rubber feet keep it stable, protecting your pet's joints. It's designed to keep your senior dog safe. Made from sturdy, high-impact plastic, this ramp is built for daily use. It's also adaptable for indoor use, improving your senior pet's mobility. It's easy to carry and quick to set up. PetSafe has US roots and a global reach. They provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They also offer exceptional customer support to bring joy to pets. Since 1998, PetSafe has been creating safe and innovative products. These products enhance pet lives and support the bond between pets and their families. They are a trusted brand. What we like. This ramp is designed to be compatible with most SUVs, making it perfect for road trips and daily use. It also features joint strain protection, which is ideal for senior dogs or those with mobility issues. If you have a larger vehicle and need a ramp that can handle the wear and tear of regular use, this is the one for you. What people say. It is lightweight and durable. The slip-resistant tape makes it easier for my boy to get up and down the ramp after he hurt his leg. Item is very stable. It works perfectly over my outside front steps for my injured dog. Has a great non-slip material. Number 4. PetSafe Happy Ride Compact Telescoping Dog Ramp. This ramp features a 3-section telescoping design. It collapses down to 28 inches for easy storage. This is perfect for cars, SUVs, and tight cargo areas. The ramp has a high-traction surface, side rails, and rubber feet. These features provide a non-slip and secure path for pets up to 300 pounds. It is ideal for travel or home use. Weighing only 14 pounds, it is easy to lift. There is no assembly required. A locking latch mechanism keeps it secure during transport. PetSafe has US roots and a worldwide reach. They deliver vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They also provide exceptional customer support to create fields of joy for pets. Since 1998, PetSafe has created safe, innovative, and trusted products. These products bring joy, enhance pet lives, and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. What we like. This ramp offers a compact, telescoping design that collapses for easy storage in tight spaces. It's also lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport. If you are looking for a ramp that's easy to store and move around, especially if you have a smaller car or limited storage space, then it is a great choice. What people say. It met all my expectations. Very sturdy, and it's not too heavy for me to lift, and it fits in the car behind the front seat when she's in it, so it's not in her way. Still a great ramp and holding up to my Mastiff's constant use. It is lightweight, has a handle for easy lifting, and I love the sliding feature versus the fold feature like my previous one. Number 3. PetSafe CozyUp Bed Ramp, White. Introducing the PetSafe CozyUp Bed Ramp. This ramp is designed to help pets with mobility issues or those who are shorter, making it easier for them to access beds safely. It reduces stress on their joints and backs. This ramp provides a comfortable and secure way for your pets to get on and off the bed. Made with durable, furniture-grade wood, the ramp is both stylish and stable. It features a high-traction carpet surface, ensuring your pet has secure footing. This indoor ramp offers a gentle incline, supporting pets up to 120 pounds. It's a reliable solution for confident climbing and cozy nighttime routines. PetSafe has been creating safe and trusted products since 1998. They aim to bring joy and enhance the lives of pets, supporting the bond between pets and their families. What we like. This ramp is made with furniture-grade wood and a high-traction carpet surface, blending seamlessly with your home decor. It's designed to support your pet's back and joints, making it perfect for indoor use. If you like a ramp that is both functional and stylish, especially for use near beds or couches, then you should consider this. What people say. Super well made, and super solid and sturdy. It's also relatively sleek and compact for its size. It doesn't take up any extra space that it doesn't need to, although it doesn't fold at all. Once I got the replacement, it was easy to put together. All the pieces were included and the ramp is very sturdy. It looks very nice, so it doesn't feel out of place in my home. Number 2. Great Day Load-A-Pup 14 by 20 inches pet loading platform. Are you and your furry friend ready for some water adventures? This platform makes it easy for your dog to join in on the fun of recreational boating. It's designed to provide a safe and enjoyable experience for both of you. Imagine the joy of having your dog by your side as you cruise on the water. This platform allows your pet to easily get in and out of the boat. It's a simple solution for creating lasting memories together. With the Load-A-Pup, you can enhance your boating experience. It's a practical and convenient way to include your dog in your water activities. It ensures your dog's safety and comfort. This platform is designed for easy use. It simplifies the process of getting your dog in and out of the boat. It's a must-have accessory for any dog-loving boater. Make every boating trip a shared adventure with the Load-A-Pup. It's the perfect way to create unforgettable moments with your dog. It's all about fun, safety, and companionship on the water. What we like. This platform is designed to make recreational boating more accessible for you and your dog. If you are a boating enthusiast, this is the one for you. What people say. He figured it out in seconds. The L-shaped bracket on the top hooks right onto a rung of our telescoping swim ladder. It's adjustable in case your ladder has wide or narrow rungs. When folded up, it stows easily. Number 1. Woohoo Dog Ramp, non-slip, adjustable, for couch and bed. Tired of slippery ramps? This one features a unique, high-traction rubber surface. It also includes ridges for extra grip, ensuring your pet's safety and confidence while they move about. Built to last, this ramp is made from solid wood, not plywood. This design helps protect your dog's joints, allowing them to reach their favorite spots with ease and less strain. Need flexibility? This ramp adjusts to 6 different heights, from 14 to 24 inches. This provides a gentle incline, making it suitable for various heights like beds, couches, and SUVs. Need to move it around? The ramp easily folds flat and has a handle and side lock. This makes it convenient to store or carry wherever you and your pet go. No assembly required. The ramp comes fully assembled and ready to use. Simply unbox it, and it's ready for your furry friend to enjoy. What we like. This ramp features a unique anti-slip rubbery surface for superior traction and is made from sustainable wood. It's also height adjustable, offering versatility for various furniture heights. If you like a ramp that provides excellent grip and is adaptable to different settings, you should consider this. What people say. The ramp is easy to install. The ramp works great for my dog to get in and out of the pool. It is very sturdy and well built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.